Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great day because I feel fresh and it's a sunny day. First thing first, I need to get the oil change in this car. Some guests are coming from New York, so gotta have the car ready for them, right? So let's go. Let's get Hamad first and bye. Hamad's here. Walaikum salam.
Camouflage.
That's right. Alright guys, we're here. Just gotta leave my car here now and wait for Hussein to come and pick us up because we have to wait for 1.5 hours to get this thing done. Wait, are you playing Pokemon Go as well?
I just downloaded it. Let's see what is the buzz.
What is it about?
हमें तो भाई ढूंढना है चारमिंडर को.
चारमिंडर कौन?
वो छोटा सा होता है.
अभी इस वक्त हमें पता है क्या ढूंढना है?
पिकाचू.
नहीं, इस वक्त हमें हुसैन ढूंढना है. So let's go. Mission: hunt for Hussein. Hussein. Oh, come on, Hussein. चने के खेत में हो रहा है वहाँ. He's gonna hang out here till they call us back to pick up the car. आई शर्माई जा रहे हैं क्रिस. किधर से कल हैं? कल किधर से? नोवा पे नाल खड़े हैं. नोवा ऐ क्यों है? चीका चूका कर रहे हैं. अमूर ए ग्लास ला पाला पाना पा. Are you acting like you're working?
Oh, trust me, I'm doing a lot of work.
अपना ना इसे मेरी समझ आती है. इधर आ जा, मैं तेरी बोटी हैं. इधर हम दोनों एक दूसरे से इस तरह बात करते हैं. How are you doing?
¿Cómo te va, hombre?
Bien.
बीएन का तो मुझे पता ही है. गुड हो गया ना.
तूने इससे अगर पूछना है कि खाना खा लिया है क्या?
अच्छा.
Not bad.
Did you eat anything?
Comí nada.
No को स्पेलिश नो ही होता है भाई. Sorry. We out here trying to get this store fixed as soon as possible. I have the keys. They're waiting on me. The reason why I'm wearing camouflage today is because yesterday I wore white and I got it all dirty. So today I'm gonna make a smart choice. I made a smart choice by wearing this because इसमें गंद लगे कुछ भी लगे no problem. Thing is we need to get these things settled before tomorrow. क्योंकि फिर कल मेहमान आ रहे हैं वहाँ busy हो जाएंगे and all that. So that's why we're here today, trying to finish this thing today. All right, let's go. So today's task, we're gonna start from there this time, right? All the way from the corner, and we're gonna keep building shelves till we reach somewhere in the middle somewhere. All right, let's get started. Hamad, ये इसकी क्या तुक है? ये जिस तरह तू glasses पहनता है.
ये असल में ये है कि आप कौन निकाल के यूं रखे. ऐसा अच्छा है कि आप पहने में आपने कहा कि आप समझ अंधेरा हो रहा तो हाँ क्या कह रहे थे. This is easy way out. Habla español, grande más. Divertido, creativo, artístico, gracioso, vosotros.
उसकी वो अपनी भूल जाएगा तेरे चक्कर में.
जितनी स्पेनियोल में सारी बोल दियोस.
ये देखिए शीशा ना, you can't really see through this, but लेकिन अंदर से सब दिख रहा है. Yes sir. Car is ready.
Let's go pick it up.
Let's go. Alright, let's get the car. Got the keys. That's the one. That's the one. यार इसका जो है ना टायर में something wrong with the tire now. कोई हमारा कील वगैरह घुस गया कोई somewhere over here. So we're here to get that checked. Right here. This thing. Oh. मैं तेरा हीरो आहे हीरोइन पागल होगी आए दे दे Alright, we're good to go now.
Good to go boy. लेकिन ये इसकी क्या वो है?
This is in case कि कोई आपका पेन लेके भागना चाहे उसे याद आ जाएगा ये इतना मोटा पेन तो मेरा नहीं हो सकता. That's why we have this. Adios. ना क्या adios. Aye.
We're at Aga Juice to check out a new drink. It's called Khajur Shake.
Okay, look good.
Yeah, just a date shake with a fake make and a baked cake with a late taste.
He's a rapper. Excuse him.
So 12 a.m., which means it's 12th of July. My song comes out. It's called Motivation on my channel, youtube.com/Hassan'sMusic. Hopefully you guys like it.
Snapchat information.
That's actually Hassan. Who else?
Like who else, right? Like.
I mean, who else would you
Oh, this is an exclusive review of Date Shake.
expect? A comprehensive review.
Go ahead.
It's actually good. The date is sweet.
Time for some halal, guys. भूख बड़ी लगी दोस्त.
What do you have to say about this halal cafe? I mean, this halal guys and New York ke halal guys.
New York. Well, okay. The history of these guys are they started on I think Manhattan में कोई था किसी ने start किया था क्या कहते हैं उसे रेडी लगाई थी. Even American, Chinese, everyone they love their this halal guys and they're pretty famous over there. उन्होंने वहाँ भी एक store बना दिया and now their branches are going all over the United States. ये 19-20 का different है, no problem. Alright boy, see you later.
Inshallah.
Good day. Okay, so something big happened. After I dropped Hamad to his house, I came home and I found out that
What's happening?
open it up, girl. That's what's happening.
Oh, shoot! Yes! Shoot!
That's right.
Oh my god!
Whoa. It's a silver play button. You receive it when you hit 100,000 subscribers. And I cannot tell you guys how grateful I am right now and how emotional I am right now because this was something when we first started making videos on YouTube. This was a big deal. And still it's a huge deal for us to be receiving this from YouTube, recognizing our work, our efforts. It takes me back to the days where we first started making videos, silly videos, not knowing what we wanted to do, just having fun. We had probably like 13 subscribers, 14 subscribers. Our friends watching our videos would subscribe to our channel, and now I can't believe we have more than 100,000 subscribers. And trust me, each and every subscriber, it means a lot to us. And I'm speaking on behalf of all four of us. I'm sure they feel the same way. And I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful from the bottom of my heart for all the people who has subscribed to this channel, who has watched us for years, and जिन्होंने हमें समझा इस like के they will subscribe, keep our channel subscribed because you have an option. YouTube gives you an option to subscribe or to unsubscribe, and most of the people decided to stay subscribed, and they believed in us, I might get emotional if I talk a little more, so I don't want to do that right now. But just want to thank every one of you for supporting us, believing in us, my family, my friends. It's like I'm giving a speech after receiving an award, and trust me, this was the goal back in 2008 when we first started. Everyone wanted this button. हमें थोड़ा लेट मिला, लेकिन it's okay, no worries. अभी भी इसकी अहमियत उतनी ही है जितनी उस वक्त थी, शायद ज़्यादा होगा. But trust me, I will never forget this today, and all you guys was supported us for all those years, 6-7 years, sticking by us. And what my job is to keep you guys entertained, keep giving you guys content that you guys enjoy, that you guys could relate to, that you guys could learn from. And trust me, from all that, I've learned a lot. And that's the letter from YouTube. I'm just gonna read one line from it. We know numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel was touched by what you did. They were inspired, or challenged, or entertained. Just know that we are really thankful and humbled to know that we have an audience who cares for our work and our content. Thank you so much. On this happy note, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.